I will be unboxing my Think Pink box today. I just received my second box from the Think Pink or Beyond Pink or my subscription box. So we're going to open it. I think I know what it is because I've seen someone's video already, but I'm going to see if I get the same color or another color. So let's go for it. Let's go for it. We're cutting the color. Oh, wow. It's the same type of box. That's cool. This time I'm going to be more or less savage. The other one I opened it so savagely. So, uh, let's see. Where is the beginning of the box? Here? Huh. Let's see here. I'm sorry I'm not facing you guys. I got on my pajamas. And there's the TV. So we're going to put a little bit of silence here. Okay, let's open this box now. Oh. Oh my. That's pretty already. Let's see. This is let's see what's in here. Let's take our time. Last time I just ripped the bag up like I thought it was a piece of paper. I was so excited I didn't take my time to open the bag. But this time I am. Oh, I still ripped the bag. Okay. So let's see. Okay. It looks like a ceramic, a piece of ceramic. What does it say? It says so. So? Yeah, it says so. It's kind of like a piece of ceramic. All right. I am going to sew, all right. Oh, here is the thread. Polyester. Okay. I like polyester threads. I kind of rather polyester threads. Okay. I think I know what this is because, like I said, I saw the video. Geranium Lang Yang. Oh, and neroli soap. Okay. Ooh, smells good. Wow. I like that. Geranium, huh? Oops. Okay. Cool. All right. So we could put all this right here so you can see. So we can have it like a, you can't even stand. Just, I'll use this as like, okay, sit there so don't move a paper saver or something like that. Oh, okay, I remember these. Yeah. Yeah, you could never have enough of these, right? But I like it. That's the right size too. Perfect. Yeah, I like that. So what does it say here? Set your intentions, chapter 3. All right. Okay. And here is the fabulous. Fabulous. Oh, I like this. It feels like rayon or like stretchy rayon. Is it rayon? Stretchy? It definitely doesn't feel like the last one, but it feels good to the skin. But it feels like rayon. But it stretches. Let's see. No, it stretches. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, but it doesn't have that like real all the way stretch. It's just like a slight stretch, but I like it. So I will be making another dress with this. I just love the colors. It's beautiful. I can use this color with it, this red with it, and that purple, even white, or just black. I like that. Oh my goodness. And I have enough to make a nice dress, even for a long sleeve dress. Okay. Love it. I love it. All right, guys. So this is my subscription box number 2, and this should be box 37. You know what? Now that I look at this fabric this way, the flowers look like, oh, it's just flowers. Hi friends, welcome to the channel Sophia Sews and Play. I'm Sophia. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. And thank you so much for your subscription and for your support to this, my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be talking about my subscription box number 37, which is my second one. And amazing fabric. I already made my make. I used the pattern, this pattern right here. I made this before and I made it again with that pattern because I thought it was amazing to make it. And yes, I like what happened after I did it. So it looks very beautiful. I think You will be the judge. And the fabric is a like a viscose woven knit, something like that. So I am explaining it in another video because I did a video before when I opened the box and show you all the precious thing that came in it. And so right now this box is, it only has the remnant of the fabric that I used, which came in the box for this amazing butterick pattern 6966. And so that's what I will be talking about today. The fabric is so sweet. I mean, the first fabric from the subscription box 36, which is my first one, I loved it so much. That was the one that we modeled. The original sewing and quilting expo. That is where we went. That's where I modeled the first mate from the subscription box. So this is the box that this is my second box, and the boxes are cute. So I'm keeping them just in case I need a box for emergency. I will be using these boxes. So this is my second one, and I have not been disappointed with my subscription so far. So on my quilting, I'm doing great on my quiltings. This is the quilting that I made, but it wasn't from the remnant of the fabric. I said this one. This is not the one. This is a table runner for that I'm going to be finishing for spring. So I am going to be using this, I guess, for the spring, and then I'll see what I do. But if I can finish it, because all I need to do now is add the binding right here, and then I will be adding the back and the batten. So this is it. I was experimenting on this block, and I like this block, so I figured I had these fabrics leftovers, and this is what I did with them. So far I'm still loving my quilting world. So I mean, like I said, I am going to be sewing a quilt every time, or if I don't finish the whole quilt, what I'm doing, I'm going to be trying to finish up blocks. Let's put it that way, because I have 4 of them already waiting to put the back and the batting, and then quilt it actually. But I'm hoping that I can go to one of those places that either they rent, or you pay for them to do the to use their long arm to do that. I may, or I may just sit at home and go ahead and use my regular walking foot with my little brother quilting sewing machine. So that's where we at in this world. I'm still sorry. Thank you for saying bless you. But I am doing right now, I'm going to be trying to get one of my sewing machines fixed, because I want to continue to sew some of my quilts. It's not all of them, but I have a brother quilting sewing machine that I love the work that it does. But I also rather use my Kenmore. So I will be using my Kenmore and my brother together with my quilting. So this is a short video, and I just wanted to come up here and let you know that I received my my second subscription box, waiting right now for my third subscription box for Mrs. Quilty. And then I have my fashion subscription box from Think Pink. So thank you so much for supporting my videos, and I will be showing you when I do my next my next outfit, hopefully, I will be showing you, because I want to practice how to show how I make my cutting and my sewing is not the perfect, but it's enough for me. And I want to show you that. Sometimes I make it as easy so it won't look like, oh my goodness, that sewing is so difficult. No, I mean, if I had used all the rules that comes with sewing and not use my own, my own little inputs, then I would probably be discouraged. I mean, everything should be done in excellence, right? But sometimes your excellence is not another person's excellence. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm going to do, because before I was like, you know what, I don't want to show how I do this because I don't do it as cute as Mary Jane and Sue. Well, guess what, I'm Sophia. So let me show you how Sophia do it. How about that? And if you don't like it, you can go to Mary Jane and Sue, because I do go to Mary Jane and Sue to learn. And then I'm like, oh, but you go through the long way. So guess what? I can make it look the same way because I'm sewing it for me, right? But if I'm sewing it for somebody else, I want to do it excellent, which that's what I do. Anyways, again, I love you guys. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you so much. I'm trying to get to 800 and then climb up to 9 and then climb up to 1,000. After the 1,000, we're going to have to work really hard. I mean, I'm working hard. I am working hard. Okay, so have a great day. And don't forget that Jesus loves you. In my scripture for today, I want to say something different. So I'm going to say, for God has not given you a spirit of fear, but of, you know what? I don't know that one, so I'm not going to say that one. So be blessed. So now it's all pinned down and it's time to cut. So I will be cutting this. All right, so the pants is all done. It's cut. And now we're going to set up the blouse. And these are the notches that needs to be cut. All the notches needs to be. Okay, so now top is pinned, ready to be cut. And we do have the sleeves that are going to be long. Here is the back. Is this the back? The back is cut, it's pinned and cut. Of course, with the pins that came with the sewscription box. And here is, so this is going to be beautiful. And here is the sleeves cut and ready. So now I'm going to start putting the blouse together. Friends, this is the Butterick 6966. I made it again. The first one that I made was a dark, real dark navy blue. And I loved it so much that I made it again with this amazing fabric. Let me show you first which is the model that I made. I made this model right here with the super long sleeves. And let me tell you, this fabric is my fabric that I received for the box 37, which is the sewscription. And this is the fabric that I got. But it's not stretchy. It's like slightly stretchy this way, and this way it's not stretchy. But I mean, it's not like a deep stretch. It's just like a slight stretch. So that's how this one is, unlike the box 36. But this one is amazing. I love the colors. And so I decided to make me like a lounge type of outfit, which I'm going to make another one of these in kind of like a army green with some flowers on it. And I will show you that in my next video also, along with my other make that I have planned. But for now, this is the amazing Butterick 6966. And I love the pants because it's wide. It's so comfortable. And so this is a loungy, very loose, and the wind can go through it. So this is great for the summer. So the other one that I will be making a short sleeve and very loungy that you should, like I wear mine with my lounge shoes, and it's very, very amazing. I love it. So what do you think? Buttery 6966. Oh my goodness, thanks for viewing. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.